blessings, beautiful people. Peace and blessings. So me and Wife Goddess, we're at the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. And we're looking around. I'm going to flip the camera around where you can see a little bit. So this is a place that I have always wanted to come. It's the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens here in Miami. You can look up online, just Google the history behind the person who used to live here. After he passed away at a young age, they turned his estate, which consists of this huge mansion and 43 acres. Say hello to Wife Goddess, you guys. That's Wife Goddess right there, Alisa. The properties consist of this huge mansion and 43 acres. After he passed away, they turned it into a museum, his whole estate. He left for us, so thank you. We're on the second floor, looking down over the atrium. Okay, that's Wife Goddess again. And now we're outside of the mansion, and we're outside in the back, which leads out into, I believe this is Key Biscayne Bay. That's Key Biscayne Bay, which is Miami, right? The bay. Beautiful out here, you guys. The weather is like 72, 73, maybe a little warmer than that. So you guys, we're outside in the atrium and we're just enjoying nature, spending time in nature. I'll turn the camera around. And we're just spending time outdoors. This garden is so huge, as you can see. And it leads out to Key Biscayne Bay, which is right behind us. The garden has statues and all kind of stuff that you can see, and so much nature. This area right here, it looked like it's a small performing area.
Yeah, like a little small amphitheater.
Yeah.
Or like plays or little musical things.
Right, as you can see, there are benches here made into the ground. It's very beautiful. Like, we can't show you everything. It's like I said, it's 43 acres. It's massive, but if you're ever here in Miami, definitely come. So you guys, you can see the Egyptian influence here. Now of course you see they changed the facial features to European features, but you can see where they got that from. That's from Egypt. So they have it here in the garden. We've seen Greek influence, we've seen Italian influence, European influence. It's just beautiful. Like, it's just beautiful. It's a mesh of various cultures. And there's Wife Goddess right there. Wife Goddess.
Hi.
So we're in the Rose Garden and I am going to do a 360. There she is. That's Wife Goddess. It was said that the gardener, what did they say?
So the owner really liked to grow roses and orchids, but the landscapers and gardeners found it really difficult to grow them here because of the climate in South Florida.
Yeah, so it's hard to grow roses in South Florida. So now we're in the main garden, and as you can see, there are statues. For you guys, please keep in mind this is still winter for us. Today is January 19th. And you see the obelisk over there? That's Egyptian. A lot of the statues look Greek. There's a Venetian influence here from Italy, different parts of Italy. But you see the obelisk all the way down the center over there, the different ones. And then that's the back portion of the main house. You can't see all of it, but it's very beautiful.